So there hasn't been much trucking going on our channel in the last couple of weeks. That would be because I'm at home on 6 weeks leave. You guys would have heard me say in the last upload that I had a feeling my wife was going to give birth early, and baby come about just over a week early. So I started my leave a week early as well. But the main part of my leave is making sure that he's looked after, because he's too full on for my wife to just have given birth and then look after him and a newborn. What are we going to do today, Huey? Should we go see the trucks?
Yeah.
Alright. We're going to go truck spotting. Roll the intro. I've got a bit of new kit to test out. This here, I don't know how good this camera is going to be. I've had this camera for ages but just never used it. It's a vlogging camera, but I think this GoPro is better because it's newer. But it does shoot in 4K, so I'm going to see how that goes. And I've also got that there is the receiver to this here, to a microphone. I'm going to see if I can mic the little fella up and get some funny audio off him while we're sitting there watching some trucks. So now this time of the morning, I think I've actually missed the truck rush hour coming back into Brisbane, but I have a feeling that if I go sit out near the port of Brisbane, or in the Lytton Hemmant area, we might be able to see some trucks. And I think that'll be the best spot to get some content, because that's where all the big trucks go, the A doubles that carry the containers and all the grain go out there during the day. Yeah, it's a trash truck. That's right.
Bye.
So bye, trash truck.
A trash truck.
All right, Huey. Do you even care that we're here to film a video about trucks? Is that right, is it? So we're going to, how long do you reckon, Huey, I have a question for you. How long do you think you're going to be able to sit here and look at trucks? Is that how long? All right. Do you like Kenworths, Hugh? Yeah. Do you like trucks? Look, you see this truck coming around the corner? Look, here he is. Look at the truck. There he is. There's another one. Do you like trucks? Don't try. This might be a bit of a fail, I reckon. It's a bit of a laugh though. Do you like trucks? Don't try and eat it. Look at the trucks. Look. Big trucks, eh? Where he is going now, look. Big A double. He was waving at our son, so I think he recognised us. Look, there's a big truck. Look at the trucks. Look, ready? It's an Argosy. Look. There's another one. I think I care more about these trucks than Huey does, to be honest with you. We're trying though, aren't we, son? Oh mate, he doesn't have much of an attention span. Doesn't have much of an attention span for these kinds of things.
Yeah.
Look, son, look. There's a big truck coming. Look. Look, there's a big truck. Look, there's a big truck. Look. There it is, another one there. Stay there, stay there, stay there, mate. Get back in the car. Look at the trucks, my son. Do you like trucks? Do you like trucks?
Sorry?
Do you like trucks? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Oh my god. You can't eat it, son. Oh, you're the funniest kid. Look, son, the trucks are going. Do you like Volvos, Huey? He doesn't care. He doesn't care one bit. He doesn't care one little bit. Oh, what happened there? Look, son. Look at these trucks. That's a 410. Oh no, that says 403 on the side of it. That's a bit of an amateur. Look. Kenware. Got an E5 in that one, I think. Oh, he's travelling with the airbags down on that one. I wonder if the camera would have caught that. I think it would have. Amateur. Guys are going to wreck your mud guards. The truck's going to go soon. Ready? Here they go. Look. There go the trucks. What do you think about Volvos, Huey? You reckon?
Well done. But did it truck?
Can you see the trash truck over there? Just for reference. And that's what Huey's looking at. He likes this cartoon called Trash Truck, so he knows what a rubbish truck looks like. Let's hope he doesn't end up driving one. I prefer you drove a Kenworth, Huey. Look, big truck over here. Someone's on the Jakes. Yeah, it's a nice one too. Oh, that's a nice truck. Can you see that trash truck over there still, son? There he is. Say bye, trash truck. Say bye. Look, son, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this old banger. He's loud too. Look, son. There's a big banger. Looks like a Don Watson truck over there. Oh, if I missed this whole show over here, like, you're just crushing all your chips into the ground. Good on you. I think that's Dad's truck, son. Is that my truck? Look, there's Dad's truck. So, there's a Watson's truck sitting across at the lights over here. I think it's my one, the one that I drive. Oh, if they haven't given it to somebody else. Hey, look, son. Look, there's Dad's truck. Nah, that's Aussie. If you see this Aussie, how you going, brother? You missed Dad's truck, son. This is what it's like taking a 2-year-old truck spotting. I reckon, son, we're going to run both these cameras out of storage space and you're not going to touch it, and then we're going to go home. I actually thought he'd be way more into this than he is. Don't touch that camera.
Okay.
You alright? This is what Huey's doing. Oh, he's digging stuff up from underneath the seat. Well done, mate. I'm watching too many people come past on their phones. We're in the perfect place to do a bit of truck spotting, Huey. You got your own truck there? Did you see that big one? We're in the perfect place to do some truck spotting. He just doesn't care. Nah, he's a 2-year-old kid. I can't expect him to keep his attention span long enough for me to get a full video out of it. And Huey's done. Alright, I'm gonna go.